Hi everyone, I hope you're all well and keeping safe during this period. This week's DIY is a magazine rack and a side table.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise.
I started by measuring and cutting out 21 by 14 inch size boards.
Getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do.
I determined the width as 14 inches by using the magazines as a guide.
Cause time moves on.
I then cut out the two pieces and sanded them down.
Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that.
For the next step, I measured the center point of each of the boards and marked the thickness of the block board on each board since I wanted to create a cross-halved joint. Then I cut out the marked portion.
All the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you would know. What the hell am I doing this for? Lying here on my bedroom floor, finding peace in the memories of you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine. Cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine.
After this, I fitted the two pieces together to create the rack.
I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that.
I applied clear varnish on it and was to leave it as is. Then I realized that one of my unfinished projects would complete this perfectly, and so I placed it on top of the rack, which made it a perfect accent table.
I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you would know.
As I wasn't planning on fixing this permanently, the top is removable, so this can only work as an accent table for now. But you can attempt this DIY with a surface or material of your liking and fix it permanently to the base so that it's more usable. Hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in my next video.